In this quick tutorial I will show you how to buy items on the Steam market. So for those who want to buy something from the market, go to community, then you'll find market right here, and all what's left to do, find the item which you'd like to purchase. As an example, you have categories for games, or you can even search something in the search bar. If you want something from Steam like a wallpaper, you can select that from here. Let's buy an item from CSGO for the purpose of this tutorial, and I want to filter it. Let's buy a rifle skin for the AUG, why not? And now let's press on search and let's find one cheap to buy. Alright, this is the one. Once you find it, scroll down and here you can find the cheapest price. Let's buy it, and now you have to read with the terms and conditions from here. If you right click and open in a new tab, you can read them, and once you read them you can mark that you agree with them, and after that you can press on purchase. And also you may have to verify this through your Steam Authenticator app on your phone, or if you don't have that enabled, you will have to confirm this via your email. But in my case, as I am an active user, this time I don't have to verify through any of that. And in case somebody needs to know where they can find their items which they own, you have to hover your mouse over your name right here, then you have to click on inventory, and here you have few categories for Steam, I don't know, and your games right here. So here you can locate the items you own, the items you bought, and the items which you can sell. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, I will leave one in the description with buying and selling items on Steam, but this was a short tutorial just for those people who just want to know how to buy something on the Steam market. If you are looking to learn more in depth about it, I will leave the tutorial right now on the screen as well. Thanks for watching and bye bye.